Now we can study about pH concept. So pH, the term pH introduced by scientist Sorensen only to convert hydrogen ion concentration values, that is a 10 to the power minus values into plus values, and the pH scale is 0 to 14, then 0 to 7, 7 to 14. pH 0, strongest acid 0.1, 0.2, 0.91, pH 1, 2. But below 7 acid, above 7 basic, at 7 neutral. It's using pH concept we can explain what acidic, basic, neutral solutions. And even you can see pH and H plus. Whenever you say pH, there must be solution containing H plus ions or hydrogen concentration is there. Then here I have covered this one. Then similarly about POH, in place of H you write OH. POH about minus log of OH minus ion to the base 10. It is also base 10. Then now, if POH is given, you can convert into OH ion. pH is given, convert into OH ion. H plus ion. And one more formula between pH, POH. All these are used to solve the problems. I am giving you a list of formulas to solve problems of pH. pH plus POH equal to 14. pH plus POH equal to 14. So another formula to know about the solution. If POH is known, we can find out pH. If the solution is basic, calculate first POH. And if they ask pH of the basic solution is, then first you find pOH value, then substitute in this equation, you get the pH answer. Then pKa plus pKb equal to 14, or even you can write pKw. So all the P formulas similar to what pH formula. Yes, pKa formula minus log Ka, pKb equal to minus log Kb, pKw minus log Kw. But that formula is derived from pH, POH. Next, using those Ka, Kb, see how to study what acid bases or concentration of solutions as acid, base and neutral. So for weak acids and weak bases, for weak acids and weak bases, yes, dissociation constant Ka equal to C alpha square. When acid is partially dissociated, it is called weak acid. Acetic acid, benzoic acid, all organic acids, hydrogen cyanide, carbonic acid, and all these undergo partial dissociation, therefore they are called weak acids. If the compound undergo 100% ionization, 100% dissociation, then it is called a strong acid or strong base. Strong electrolyte, weak electrolyte, strong acid, weak acid. Here acid, base, salt, they are called electrolytes. Now for weak acids, we can write formula Ka equal to C alpha square or alpha equal to root Ka by C. Then hydrogen ion concentration equal to C alpha. And alpha formula this one. Therefore one more formula we can write root Ka into C. Now these are the formulas used to calculate H plus value using alpha and Ka. But these values are given in the question. Find H plus for weak acid, then substitute this H plus value in pH formula, pH equal to negative logarithm of hydrogen atom concentration. Using that formula, you can find out pH value. But for weak gases, apply this formula. And for weak base, only you change what? Here, Ka equal to Kb over Ka equal to Kb, H plus equal to OH minus. Yes, these are the formulas used to calculate. First OH ion, then POH value, finally pH of the base for weak bases. These are formula for weak bases. So for strong acid, strong base, weak acid, weak base. Here I covered for weak acid, weak base how to write the formulas and how to find pH. Then for strong acid, strong base. For strong acids, example HCl, HNO3, H2SO4, etc. If acid is given, concentration of acid 0.1 molar HCl. If they give in question like this, calculate pH of 0.1 HCl, then it is a strong acid because this dissociates in water 100%. Therefore, we get what? H plus ion, no HCl molecule in the solution, therefore this we can write as H plus equal to 0.1 m or 10 to the power minus 1. Find out arrangement. Then it's H plus you take direct if it is a strong acid, HCl, HNO3, H2SO4. If it is normality, same. But if molarity given and normality molarity formula, there is n equal to there is a normality capital N equal to N into capital N. In case of sulfuric acid, M is given, convert into M because I want 1H plus value. But for sulfuric acid, H2SO4 can give 2 mole of H plus. Therefore, if molarity given, yes, right, concentration value of their molarity and multiply by 2, then we get normality. Like this, you write H plus values if strong acid is given. And similarly for strong base like concentration of NaOH or KOH. Usually NaOH, KOH is given in the question, they are strong bases. And if strong base, the given concentration, let it be 0.5 molar NaOH is given. Then strong base NaOH, you take OH ion and its value 0.5. And usually OH ion concentration we write in 10 to the powers, therefore 5 into 10 to the power minus 1 mole per liter. It may be OH ion or H plus ion, unit is same because square bracket there is molar concentration, mole per liter. So in case of strong acid, strong base, weak acid, weak base, how to find pH, POH, etc. All the formulas I covered here. Yes, Ka, Kb, Pk, Pkb, like pH, POH, Ka into Kb equal to Kw, Pka plus Pkb equal to Pkw. Then see what is meant by Kw. So Kw is a ionic product of water, and for every product of water take H2O reversible to H plus and OH minus ion. And equilibrium constant K equal to H plus into OH minus by water, and water concentration almost remains same because for 1 mole of H plus 1.0 into 10 to the power minus 7 mole per liter, same OH also 10 to the minus 7 mole per liter. This is pure water value at 298 K. Then if I write Kw formula, K value into concentration of H2O constant multiplied, then finally we get Kw formula H plus into OH minus this KW. But KW value, see here, H plus 10 to the minus 1, OH minus 10 to the minus 1. Therefore, we can also write H plus into OH minus value, 1.0 into 10 to the power minus 14 at 298 K. It is also said to be KW. But using this formula, you can solve the problems. And in place of this, we can also use, because H plus cannot exist in water freely as H plus, but it exists in the form of hydrated ion. There is called a hydronium ion. It is said to be hydronium ion concentration, or here hydrogen ion concentration. But we can use any one method, H3O plus into OH minus or H plus into OH minus to calculate H plus or OH minus using ionic product of water. Yes, how to define ionic product of water? Product of molar concentrations of hydrogen and hydroxyl ions in aqueous solution or water at 298 K, the value found to be 1.0 into 10 to the minus 14. And if temperature changes, this value changes 1.2, 1.3. As the temperature increases, this value increases. At 100 degrees Celsius means boiling water, yes, its value found to be 1.2 into 10 to the minus 12. About 100 times the value increases. Next one. Some problem based questions. If you dissolve 2 to 3 acids, what happens? If same acid is used, same type, acid or base, same solution, same series of solutions are mixed, what happens? 2 solutions mixed, A and B. 2 solutions, A and B. First one, 1 liter solution of HCl, pH 3. 1 liter HCl, pH 3. Second, 1 liter HCl, pH equal to 5. pH equal to 5. Then what is the resultant pH when A and B mixed? Individual pH number, first beaker 3, second beaker 5. But both are acid. Now we will give some formulas here to solve the question. And individual value 3 and 5, but after mixing, whether it is 2.5, 3 plus 5, 8, whether 4, no, it may be different. But see how to calculate pH of what mixture of 2 acids, mixture of 2 acids. Okay. So when you add 2 solutions, pH 3, this one we can write as H plus equal to 10 to the power minus 3. Now I told, if pH is given and write H plus value as a 10 to the power, because there is a relation H plus equal to 10 to the power minus pH. 10 to the power minus pH. Means indirectly, first solution hydrogen concentration 10 to the minus 3 and second solution pH equal to 5, it's H plus value equal to 10 to the minus 5. Then after mixing, mix these 2 solutions. There is a HCl, 1 liter, total 2 liters, its pH value to find out. Now I write one formula to calculate this one. Formula pH equal to, there is a formula, resultant normality equal to, or concentration of H plus equal to because both are acid, hence you write concentration H plus equal to N1 V1 plus N2 V2 by V1 plus V2. If same acid mixture is given, apply this method, or same basic mixture is given, same apply this method. If different solutions are there, then we study afterwards. Okay. And then see how to find S plus, then pH value. Normality and volume. First normality, yes, means concentration of first, how much pH equal to 10 to 3, but H plus equal to, we are told how much, 10 to the power minus 3 into 1 liter plus second N2 10 to the power minus 5 into volume 1 liter 1 plus 1, because V1 value 1 liter, V2 value 1 liter. Next 10 raised to minus 3, 10 raised to minus 5, 10 raised to minus 3 common, 1 plus 10 raised to minus 2 by 2, 10 raised to minus 2, then this is actually 1.01, 1.01 you can neglect 1.01, but it is 1 by 2, 0.5 into 10 to the power minus 3, or 1 by 2 into or 5 into 10 to the power minus 4. This is H plus. What is this? Here I told how to calculate H plus concentration when two same solutions are mixed, HCl mixed. But pH value different, how to find pH, H plus concentration first, and use this value to calculate pH value. pH equal to minus log H plus minus log H plus only calculated 5 into 10 to the power minus 4. Then simplification of this, when you simplify this, 4 minus 0.6990, because you remember log 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 values, log 1 value 0, log 2 0.3010, log 3 0.4773, 0.4771, and log 4 0.6021, log 5 0.6990. At least log 1 to 5 practice well. Afterwards you can write higher numbers, log 7, 8, 9, 10, here it may be 7, 0.7, 0.8, 0.9, further you can write. Then answer 3 point, yes. Yes, here I told method how to calculate pH of resulting solution after mixing two solutions. How to calculate pH value? I will repeat once again. It is important method. If two solutions are given, they are belonging to same series, acid, and volume may be different. 1 liter, 2 liter, 3 liter, 5 liter, anyone. Volume may be different and pH value different. If pH is given, convert into hydrogen ions. If pH is 10, you make it 10 raised to minus 10. pH is 3.2, 10 raised to 3.2. Like this, pH value converted into 10 to the powers. Because we have to find out hydrogen ion concentration in the solution. And using that hydrogen ion concentration value, find out pH value finally. So this is for acid. And for base, find pOH. Find pOH, then what pH, and how to convert pOH into pH by using the formula pH plus pOH equal to 14 and substitute pOH value, then we get answer pH. Here I covered how to calculate pH of mixed solutions when they are same. If they are different, what happens? And even if you take 3 solutions, pH 3, pH 5, pH 1, Method same. N1 V1 plus N2 V2 plus N3 V3 divided by V1 plus V2 plus V3. And here you write again H plus equal to like this. If solutions are different, example 2 liter 3 2 liter NaOH pH value 10 5 liter NaOH pH value 3. And method same, no only told base OH minus ion equal to right. But if they are different means take here HCl. HCl pH 3 and NaOH pH 10. Now first you find out which is stronger, which ion is more after mixing. If pH is 3, H plus equal to 10 to the power minus 3, OH minus equal to 10 to the power minus 10. But for acid, N1 V1 base N2 V2. N1 10 raised to minus 3 volume into 2. Here 10 raised to minus 10 volume 5. 2 into 10 raised to minus 3, 5 10 raised to minus 10. Therefore, now decide which is smaller value, whether base smaller or acid smaller. Here smaller value base means whole solution mixture, whether acidic or basic. Now in this mixture, H plus greater than OH minus. Therefore, find out OH minus concentration equal to H plus this one N1 V1 minus N2 V2 by V1 plus V2. Here higher value N1 V1, lower value N2 V2. Then substitute, we get value. And that value is OH ion equal to X. Find POH using this formula, and finally use the formula pH plus POH equal to POH equal to 14. Therefore, pH equal to 14 minus POH. You get answer pH. Yes, concept of acids and bases I have covered today. Okay, and remaining part is about buffers, common in effect, solubility product, how to solve the problems, and there we will cover remaining part. That is in the next video.